Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in, and today we have with us the new Samsung Galaxy M30 smartphone. This is the third phone in the Galaxy M series. The first two phones were M10 and M20, and this is the Galaxy M30, and today we are going to unbox this. We have mentioned the pricing and the availability details in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out, and as soon as you slide it out the box, you get another case which will have the reading material, warranty card, and the quick start guide. You don't get a TPU case, and this is the phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy M30. We have already switched on this device and set it up for you. We are done with setting up this device so that we can tell you about this device in detail. Now, while this phone is starting up, let's talk about the other things that we get in the box. This is the USB Type-C cable, the charging and data transfer, and this is the 15-watt fast charger that you get in the box. And this here is the SIM ejector tool. That's it. This is what all you get inside the box. Now, talking about the specifications of the device, this has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. This is the water drop notch. This is exactly the same design that we saw in the Galaxy M10 and Galaxy M20. The phone runs on the Exynos 7904 processor, which is an octa-core processor. You get 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which is expandable via a micro SD card. Talking about the triple rear camera setup, you get this in this phone. You get a triple rear camera setup, which is a 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel setup. This one has an ultra wide angle sensor and also a 5 megapixel depth sensor, which helps you to click better bokeh photos. This here is the fingerprint scanner, and the front camera is a 16 megapixel unit. It is a 16 megapixel front facing camera. And talking about the user interface, it is exactly the same that we saw in the Samsung Galaxy M10 and M20. There is no change. And if we just open the settings menu and just go in about phone, the software information, so you'll see that this phone comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and we hope that the company will flash the Android 9 Pie update really soon for this device. The Galaxy M30 has a 5000 mAh battery, just like the Galaxy M20, and this supports fast charging. You get a 15-watt fast charger. This here is the USB Type-C port. You get the headphone jack. This is the speaker grill, and that's it, guys. This is the Galaxy M30 smartphone. It's we have mentioned about the pricing and the availability details in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out. And till then, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions about this phone, shoot them up in the comment section below, and subscribe to Digit's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and we'll catch you in another video. Till then, goodbye.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.